Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do broadcast in WABB official API. So let's get started. So the very first step is we need to create a template. So we will go to settings and here in the connection, we need to click on message templates and then we will click on create template. Then we need to select the category of your template. If it is for a marketing campaign or re-engagement or for upselling or any offers, then select it as marketing category. But if it is for non-promotional messages like reminders, confirmation, then use utility. So I'll go with marketing. I'll click on next, and here is the template builder where we will build it. So first we will give it a name. Let's call it monsoon offer, and then here in the header we can add any offer image. So I'll click on image and let me upload one image for this broadcast. So this is the image I have added, and then in the message we will just paste the message. So let's say this is the broadcast which I want to send. Let me add few spaces here and there to make it more readable. And all right. And then here we can add buttons. So let me add two buttons. First, I will add visit website. And in this, I will add one button name as claim now. And then I'll just add the website where this should redirect to. So in this case, this is gonna be WAB's website. We can add one more button, which will be add quick reply. And then here we can add as check, uh, maybe we can add check use cases. And we are all good. In the right hand side, you can see the preview of this template. And all we need to do is click on create, and then this broadcast will go for approval. Now, approval can take up to from 5 minutes to 24 hours. It can take anywhere. So I have already created one template which is already approved. Once the template is approved, we will go to flows here, and then we will create a new flow. Let me give it a name. I'll call it monsoon offer WAB. I will click on create and open. This is the builder. So we need to click on this send message block. In the left hand side, a menu will appear. Let's because it is a broadcast, so it will be beyond 24-hour messaging window. So we'll click on outside, and then we just need to select that approved template. So when you will click on the drop down, you will automatically see all the templates which are approved in your account. So this was the template we created, monsoon offer, and you will see how this is looking like. So this is how your template will look like. And as you can see, we have added one button check use cases. So there is a connection point here, which means if user will click on this button, then we need to send some message. So here in the flow itself, we can complete that part. I'll click here on this upside arrow button in the bottom right corner, and then I will drag another send message block here, and I will connect it with this button. Our goal is when someone click on check use cases, we will send some extra information. So let's click on this block here, and then we will design the message here. So now because user will click on this quick reply button, it will follow the 24-hour window, and then we don't need to send the template. We can design the message here only. So I'll click on test, and I'll simply write a message which could be like, please check the below file for the use cases. Let me complete this. I'll click on save. And then below this message, let me click on file, and then let me upload one file from my PC. So yeah, here we go. And then I have added one file here. So now this flow is completed. This is the template which was approved. This message is connected to the buttons. You can click on preview mode to see how this message will look like on the WhatsApp. If someone will click on check use cases, they will get this message. So the last part is we need to go to contacts here, and then you need to upload the list of contact whom you want to send this broadcast. So in the contacts page, you will see here there is a import contact button. You can simply click here and upload your existing database. um, Make sure to follow the template. So basically your Google Sheet or Excel file should follow this template, which is phone, name, tags. So it should follow the same template. Phone number should have country code. Tags will help you in segmenting your audience. So prepare your database in this format and then come back to WAB and simply upload here. Once your contact is uploaded, finally the last step is we will go to broadcast here from the left side. We will click on broadcast. We will click on create new broadcast. We will give this broadcast a name. So let's call it monsoon offer. We need to select the flow. So remember the flow we named was this. And then here uh, in the targeting side, you can now filter out your audience. So whatever list you will upload to WAB, you will give them tags. And now you can filter your audience using tags. Otherwise, it will take all the audience from your WAB account. So I'll click on add filtering and let me see if I can apply any tag. Yeah. So I applied this tag and there are two people in this tag, and all I need to do is just click on start and you will see now this broadcast is live. Also, if you want to schedule in advance, so you can click on set time here and then you can select the date and time when you want this broadcast to go auto live. So on Friday, 7 o'clock in the morning, you can schedule it. Once the broadcast is over, you can click on history tab here and your stats will appear in this panel. So you can see for each broadcast, how was the delivery rate, how was the read percentage. So since this is a demo account, so I don't have much broadcast history, but let's say in this case, this was sent to 4 people. The delivery rate was 75%, and out of all the message which was delivered, the red percentage was also 100%. So in the history panel, you'll be able to see the stats for your broadcast. One very important part, make sure you have added your payment method in your Facebook Business Manager under WhatsApp account section. So here you can see I have added a card. If in your case it is not added, you can simply click on payment settings and add your credit or debit card there. So this was the process how we create the broadcast. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.